Hello, my name is Tim Lahili, and in this video we're going to be doing an introduction to Quincy Discovery. What is Quincy Discovery? Quincy Discovery is a online software as a service platform designed to allow small to medium-sized law firms to compete meaningfully against large-scale firms in the area of e-discovery and digital data review. The solution supports all of the tools that are commonly found in litigation review platforms. It allows you to review data, allows you to process data, allows you to export data. It supports all of the common load file types. It does basically everything you would really need in the context of e-discovery and digital data review. So let's just talk about a few of the facets of the solution. First of all, it comes in, well, effectively unlimited number of variations, but really 3. There's the free version that will give you 0 users, meaning just you can use it. You can't add additional users. You can process 2 gigs of data, and you can have up to 2 cases. Now, when we speak about processed data, it's worth pointing out that this is the amount of data after it has been processed. So if you upload a half a gig, that can easily process to 2 gigs, for example, if it's email. The level 1 plan is $250 a month. It supports 2 users and 10 gig of processed data and allows you to have 5 cases. And level 2 is $500 a month, 5 users, 30 gigs, and 10 cases. And then you can create a custom plan, which is sort of questionable numbers of dollars a month, and you can do any sort of configuration you want, and the salespeople will tell you effectively how much the plan ultimately costs. But I think if you compare these prices to any competitive solution, even sort of home-baked solutions, I think the prices are dramatically lower, or at least they're intended to be dramatically lower than what you otherwise would pay. Here are some of the key features that the tool supports. Basically, you can process data any which way you want. Again, it offers pretty much every competitive processing capability. It processes all types of data, TIFFs, PSTs, native docs, spreadsheets, you name it, zips, whatever, it processes it, emails, all different types. It processes very quickly. It offers deduplication and more advanced analysis, email threading, and things like that. And then, depending on the needs of your case, if you need predictive coding, if you need document clustering, if you need things like that, there are also those type of services, although those come with additional fees. And you'd have to call your salesperson about those. Reviewing data, it allows, again, all the competitive reviewing capabilities. It allows you to review documents in a near native format. It has a fantastic spreadsheet viewer that makes it look exactly like it would within the spreadsheet. You can click on the tabs, you can navigate the cells, you can even see the formulas in some cases. It's got easy to use coding panel, offers redaction and bait stamping. Any type of document manipulation you want is pretty much in there. It enables all the generic forms of advanced searching, stemming, fuzzy searching, all sorts of filtering capabilities. And then finally, you can get the data out pretty much in any format you want. There are a number of different reports it supports. It also supports exporting AD1s, natives, load files, all the common load files, you name it, pretty much exports it. You can generate easy to understand, simple to read reports on the summary on the data you have, as well as final reports after you've bookmarked or coded a whole bunch of documents. Those are the key attributes of the plan. Hopefully that gives you at least a basic idea of what it is. There are a whole bunch of other videos that drill down on specific features. So if you're interested, I encourage you to pursue those videos and find out more. Anyway, thank you very much for your time. Here's my contact information if you want to reach out for additional information. I'll give you a second to take it down, and then we'll end the video. Thank you very much.